Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make pot roast chicken. It is very popular where I'm from, back in Guyana. And to get started, here I have my chicken already seasoned, and I will be using some chicken broth, some of my favorite brown braising sauce, some Chief's Chinese sauce. I have ketchup, barbecue sauce, and some teriyaki sauce. Let's get started with the recipe. So before I show you guys how I season my chicken, I will show you the sauces that I use that might not be very popular. Brown braising sauce, that's a sauce that I love to use. It has great flavor. I have Chief's Chinese sauce. This is very popular in the Caribbean. And I have some sweet ginger teriyaki sauce. Those are the three ones that you might not be familiar with. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging and how they look. Now let's continue. So here's what I use to season my chicken. First, of course, I wash the chicken really well in some vinegar and lemon juice, and I remove the skin. And I will be using some complete seasoning: black pepper, paprika, chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, my favorite homemade green seasoning, and some brown braising sauce. What I did was add all of the seasonings along with the sauce to the chicken, mix really well, and I let it marinate for about 2 hours. If you have time and you can let it sit longer, go right ahead. Next, we'll create the sauce for this chicken using all of our sauces and some chicken broth. We'll mix really well and set aside. In a preheated pot, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I will add my chicken. We just want to brown them, give them a good sear on both sides before we move on with the next step. Once the chicken is brown on one side, we'll give it a flip and allow it to become golden brown on the other side. We'll keep repeating these steps even with the other batch until we are all done. Once all of the chicken is nicely seared and browned, we will reintroduce the chicken back into the pot, and then we will pour our sauce over top of the chicken. We'll let it cook on medium to low heat for about 40 minutes. 20 minutes in, we'll go in and give the chicken a flip so it can cook evenly on both sides. We will let it cook until the liquid evaporates a little, and then we'll be ready to serve. This is absolutely delicious, and you guys will enjoy this recipe. 20 minutes in, you want to go in and give it a little flip, and then we will cover and allow it to continue cooking for another 20 minutes. Once this is done, the chicken will be falling off the bone. That's how I like my pot roast chicken, full of flavor and falling off the bone. So after about 40 minutes, our chicken is finally done. And as you can see, most of our sauce has evaporated, and that's exactly what you want. Now I will garnish with some onion rings and some fresh parsley. Now the steam from the pot will cook the onion rings just a little bit, but they will still have a crunch to them. And that's how I like, to serve my pot roast chicken up. with the onion rings. They are absolutely delicious and it's super simple and easy to make. Now I will plate everything up and I'll be back with the finished product. So today I'll be serving my pot roast chicken up with some baked macaroni and cheese, a fresh garden salad, and some seasoned rice. This can be paired with a number of different things. You can have it with mashed potatoes, a little bit of coleslaw, whatever you prefer, you can serve it up with. It's super delicious and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.